Okay, let me try to show you some of the strange things I've seen with the Gmail apps regarding font tags and some other things. Let me go to Google Pages, otherwise known as Page Creator. Create a new page. Immediately I get this strange error, undefined. Some kind of JavaScript error, I guess, but never you mind. Just a little odd out of the box. Anyway, let's call it test. Create. And waiting, okay. Um, Put in some text. Doesn't really matter what. Just show the HTML, and that's great. Just a plain old paragraph. That's nice with the text. However, just a little odd thing. There's a space on the right. Sometimes the space appears on the left. I've noticed. I don't know why there's a space at all. Just a little weirdness. But that's not a big deal either, obviously. But let's put a little more complicated text. Let's go to Gmail. And let's find something that I think this had some subscripts in it. Let's see. I don't see. Oh, there we go. I was going to show you a bug with subscripts, but I don't know if I can. Anyway, cut this text and put it back over here. And now let's look at that HTML. And we see that it uses spans with class. This must be some Apple kludge for Safari or other Apple browser, but it uses full-fledged CSS style with font family and line height, nice, all kinds of good stuff. Alright, well, let's go back and change something. Like change the font on this phrase right here. Then we go back in and look, and you can see that it's now using, instead of a span with a style, it's using a font tag which was deprecated HTML. I mean, it was allowed in HTML4 transitional, but not strict. It was about 10 years ago. So that's a little odd, and it gets a bit odder, but that's still fine. I mean, it works. But here's something kind of messy. If I go to Google Docs, I already have an untitled one open, so I'll paste the same text in there. And then I'll look at that HTML. Now this one allows me to edit CSS, which is really nice. I use that all the time. But if I look at the HTML here, you see I don't get any of the old CSS. Oh, I do. Wait, I'm wrong. But you do see that it's different HTML for some reason. And if I try to let's see, if I try to put my own HTML in there, let's say I put in some text. Okay, that works. I know that works. Okay, as expected. But go back, and now I'll make it bold in the modern way with this style. Let's see, text. Is it text weight? Bold. And not bold. Hold on. Text. Oh, font weight. Sorry. Okay, so it is bold, but now look, if I go back in and edit the HTML, it's taken away my style tag, my style setting. It's bizarre. I get all, and if you try to edit the HTML, it will do all kinds of crazy things to your HTML. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm getting at. There's a million more little quirks I could show you, but that's enough for now.